Okay, we got some Peeps right here. We got some dogs. And they seem to like the Peeps. We got a microwave here.
We got some Peeps.
We got some Peeps.
We got some Peeps in the microwave.
Got some Peeps in the microwave.
And let's set that bitch for 2 minutes.
More or less.
Just peeping around, Jeff.
Just peeping around. Up.
Dun 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 dun.
That one seems to.
This is your Peeps on drugs.
This is your Peeps on drugs. Peeps on LSD. They got really chubby after the last couple Easters. Look how big they are.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
They're all like, I want McDonald's. Give me the McDonald's. Oh my god.
Some huge Peeps. And you ask yourself, can they get any bigger?
Can they get any bigger? They seem pretty obese right now.
Oh shit, they're huge.
God damn. It's only been in there for a minute. They're starting to break apart. They're starting to morph into one giant super Peep.
Super Peeps.
They're like, they're all like Siamese twins now. They're conjoint twins, whatever the fuck they like.
Peeps are coming down from the druggies.
It seemed to be all sorts of what happened.
This is the story of Peeps.
Good God.
This is your Peeps. Peeps on drugs.
Oh